There better be more than lint in your pocket.
Look, it's right there on the
No,
floor.
ain't nothing on the floor.
Down in earrings.
There's nothing on the floor. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mom. Oh, wow. Okay. Now what is this? Oh, you're essay. All right, I'm going to have to sit down for this one. Turn to page 23. 23. You gonna let me read it? Yeah. Christmas has never been about what you do or what you get. It's always about the people that make this time of year so special. No one makes Christmas feel like Christmas more than my mom. She's a gracious, resilient, endlessly supportive force that will always have my love. She's always put her happiness to the side in favor of mine. She's worked 3 jobs at once and lost a lot of sleep to make sure I had everything I wanted for Christmas, and she never held me when I had. Mom, I wouldn't be the woman I am if you weren't the woman you are. I'll never be able to repay you for the sacrifices you made, but I will always cherish what you mean to me and what you've taught me about the joy of Christmas. My heart is a privileged extension of yours. No, I know you didn't finish. What? Keep reading. Are you crying? You got a problem with that? Oh, Mommy. How is this Yule log still a thing?
Probably because